With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello. So we have the question that the string is now replaced by a spring constant K and the natural length L. Mass 2m is fixed at the bottom of the frame. Okay. The mass m, which has the other end of the spring attached to its brought near the mass 2m and the released as from the figure. The maximum angle theta that the spring will subtended the center. Take K is equals to 10 Newton per meter, L is 1 meter, M is 1 kg, and L is equals to R. So length is, we all know that the length is as equals to the radius. Okay, so now it is fixed. When it is released, then it's make an angle of theta from the center. Okay, so length of the spring at maximum. So what is the maximum length? Spring at maximum elongation. When the spring is stretched in the maximum position, then it will come up to be 2L cos phi. Let an angle phi, or you can call it as theta also. Okay, so I am calling it as phi. So extension is, what is the extension? Extension become x is equals to 2L cos of phi minus L. Okay, so now what will be there? Now potential energy of the spring is converted into potential energy, or you can call that now initial potential energy of the spring is converted into final potential energy of the spring and gravitational potential. Clear? Because there is also an acting of gravitation. So by using this, half KL square is equals to half K 2L cos of theta, or you can call it as cos of phi minus L का whole square plus mg L minus L cos of theta. Okay, so sorry, it is cos of theta here. 1 minus or L minus L cos theta. Clear? I hope you have know that equation or what I'm saying. The concept is the initial potential energy of the spring is converted into final potential energy of the spring and gravitational potential. So initial is what? Half KL square, and then it will be converted into the given form as we have written here. 2L cos phi minus L square, or mgl L minus cos phi. It is cos phi. You can write it as phi or theta also. There is not an issue. Just an angle. Putting the values which is given in the question. So it will become half multiplied by 10 multiplied by 1 is equals to half multiplied by 10 2 cos phi minus 1 square is equals to 10 1 minus cos phi. Now we know that what is mean that sine theta is equals to sine theta or cos theta or anything. You can call that theta will be here is phi minus 2 theta. We can call it as theta. Okay. So what is theta here? In our case, theta is this angle. This angle is theta and this angle is what? Phi. Okay. So this angle is what? Phi, and this angle is theta. So I am writing it as an phi here. Just removing that. It is phi and these two angle is theta. You can call it as theta or make these two angle phi also. So I am just changing that into theta. So here theta will be equals to, or in our case the phi is equals to phi minus 2 theta. I am changing it from the values. Remember students, I am doing, I am the theta which is given in the question, I will write it as a phi, and these two angle I will write it as a theta. You can also write it as phi, sorry, again it is 5. It is 5 is equals to pi minus 2 theta. So what is happening? So putting the values, you will get 5 minus 5 2 cos pi minus 1 whole square plus 10 1 minus cos 2 5. Clear? So it will become 1 is equals to 4 cos square 5 plus 1 is equals to 4 minus cos 5. Sorry, it will be 4 here. Sorry. It will be written as, if you I'm just directly solving this. Just solve this complete equation and put theta is equal, or put phi is equals to pi minus 2 theta. Okay, so phi is equals to pi minus 2 theta. By putting these all values, what you will get? You will get 8 cos square theta is equals to 4 cos theta. Clear? So cos of theta is equals to 1 by 2. So theta is what come to be 60 degree. So here the correct option is option A. So I hope you will get your answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.